You're looking at a 2023 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid Limited with 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 6,000 miles. This vehicle gets over 50 miles per gallon, 49 in the city, 52 on the highway. It comes fully loaded. ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, LED lights, blind spot monitors. VIN numbers right here. Still under full factory warranty. Full power options, heated and ventilated seats, moonroof. We've got navigation, backup camera with parking sensors, premium sound, Bose sound system, push start, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats, wireless charging pad, parking cameras, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control. Exact mileage is 6351. Memory seats. Bose sound again. It comes fully loaded. That's just because the car's on. That's the beeping from the keys in my pocket, just reminding me that. Nice big trunk. Previous owner traded it in for a Tesla directly from us. Just like new. Absolutely no stories, no body work, no accidents. Just a nice clean vehicle. Like new condition. It looks like a 6,000 mile car. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.